so sweet. Okay, sweet.
You want to go see if Santa Claus came? Huh? Hang on a second.
Hey, Lou, tell Daddy how old you are.
I'm 2.
You're 2. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, Dad.
Hey, Steve. Merry Christmas,
Jesse,
little
can you
buddy.
say hey? Hey, Dad.
Hey, little buddy.
Jesse's 10 months old. He was a sleepyhead this morning.
Sleeping in on Christmas.
All
Lou,
right.
do you think Santa brought you anything?
No?
No?
You think he ate his cookies?
Nuh-uh.
You don't? You want to go see?
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
These are stuck.
Sorry.
Okay.
Let's go
Hang
see
on
now.
hang on 1 second. Let Daddy get through.
Wait,
Stay
let me-
right there. Stay right there. Stay.
Come here.
Let Daddy get through. Let Daddy get through first.
I guess I can.
Here, hold my hand. Hold my hand. We'll go together. Okay.
He's not his cookies.
Lou.
His cookies.
What else did he do?
A new kitten.
That's awesome, Lou. Look what he brought you. Fisher, go get in your bed. Go get in your bed. Presents.
Present for Jessie.
Yeah, Jessie, look.
Baby trucks.
Look.
The baby trucks.
You got some little trucks.
Here's some new passies.
Yeah, you got some new passies too. What about this, Lou?
A big bowl.
Whoa!
Whoa.
You like it, Butterbud?
I'm gonna throw it to you. Catch.
Whoa! Hey, go look at your stuff.
Oh, baby. Look at it. Stickers. Stickers for me.
Who's on the stickers? Who's on them? All your favorite people, right?
And my baby.
Your little baby.
Baby.
This is really cool, Lou. I can't do it.
Baby, no.
What are those, Lou?
Crayons.
Ooh.
Crayons. Awesome. Some new headbands. Some glovies.
Hey, you like that new kitchen?
I love it. Look, you can open it up.
You like that new ball?
Shannon, you know how much you love balls, buddy. Look, Lou, oven. You can put your food in it, and then look over here. Look. There's a washing machine. Just like ours. Isn't that awesome?
I want my gloves.
You do? So fun. And what about, what's that right there?
What?
What's that right there? The orange thing right there. Uh-oh. Careful. What's this?
What?
What's this?
A baby skirt.
For you. Look how cute. That's so cute.
Baby.
What are those up there?
What?
Some new PJs?
Some new babies.
Some new PJs and some stickies. That's awesome.
I'm gonna put oven.
You're going to put it in the oven? You're going to bake your socks?
And new gloves for Mom.
Oh, thank you.
And we have gloves too.
We do. We have gloves together. Look. You want to show baby Jess his stuff?
Here's Jesse. Santa ate his cookies.
He
He
did.
did it. I think I see him over there. Did he move them to the table? What, are they there?
You see him?
I see ya.
Is there any cookies on that plate?
Uh,
There is?
there's no left.
He ate them
Is
all.
there any milk?
No.
He came and he brought presents and he ate his snacky, his cookies and his milk. Didn't he? Did he bring you all of this
Oh.
in your kitchen? What do you think? He came, didn't he?
What do you tell Santa?
Here.
Thank you.
What do you say to Santa Claus?
Ho, ho, ho.
No, what do you say for bringing all your
Thank
presents?
you for all of my fun stuff.
You see Santa's cookies.
He came, didn't he?
Uh-huh.
He came to our house and he brought this and all of your toys. Maybe Jess's ball and all of his stuff.
Jess, let's check out your toys, man.
Come over here,
A
Butterbud.
washing machine over here.
Yeah. Let's look over here at your stuff. Look. Did you get a little airplane? And a school bus. And some cars. How cool.
And some pasties.
And some passies. And a cute little shirt. And some numbers to match Lily. Do y'all match, Lou? Look at his animals and your animals. Santa made you match. And look, do you like these, Lou? Those are really cute, aren't
I
they?
like these.
You like those cars?
Let's get my kitchen ready.
So fun. Butterbud, do you want to see if your shoes fit? Let's see.
I think he ate his cookies anymore. I think he ate his cookies.
You do?
They're on the table.
But there's no cookies left, are there?
What is
There's
that?
Santa's cookies.
Who is that for?
Santa.
It looks like it's maybe for Fishy
Those doggy
Bear.
toys?
Yeah.
I think they are
Fishy
squishing.
bear. Fish.
Butterbud, I won't make you do this. You gonna open up for Fishy? Santa loves it for Fishy Bear.
I can't open it.
Here, I'll help you.
Okay. Help me. Thank
Can
you,
I hand him
Dad.
one?
Here.
We'll
I
destroy it
want one
somewhere.
too. Look at those. I want my birthday. Squeak, squeak.
Woo!
Throw it to fish. Lou, you throw it to Fishy?
These
He just wants to on your plate. Good catch, buddy.
I want
You just wanted to have all of them? Okay, we all want to open some presents for Mommy and Daddy? Huh? Do you open some presents for Mommy and Daddy? Or are those dog toys good presents?
My presents are good.
They were? You like your stuff from Santa?
Baby, baby.